Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you a smooth neo-soul groove. This has got some really nice vibes to it. It's going to be very simple. We're going to be working with 3 chords, but they're going to be very soulful chords. So we're going to have some fun with this one. We're going to go ahead and get started. Now, I usually do start off with a key, but this one in particular doesn't necessarily have a key. If I did want to give you an idea of what the key would be, I would say very loosely in the key of C. And the only reason I would say that is that we have something called the deceptive cadence, which is used in music to change the ending of a song. So usually, let's say we're in the key of C major, you might play something like a 2-5-1. And sometimes instead of playing a 2-5-1, you might want to switch things up and go. So use that instead versus using a 2-5-1. So that's a very different approach to ending a song. So that's why I would say loosely in C, so you should know this scale, but again, I wouldn't say it's in the key of C major, but just to keep things simple, just think about it maybe in that way, and then think about the deceptive cadence bringing you back to C. And I'm going to show you the chords and how they connect to create that movement. So let's go ahead and dive into this. If you want to learn how to play in all 12 keys, I have a guide that you can download over at the site. It's going to walk you through all the 12 major and minor keys. So go ahead and check that out. So let's go ahead and get started. So the chord progression here we're going to be playing is going to sound like this. Alright, so let me break that down for you. We're going to be using 3 chords here. These are extended chords, so we're going to be using a C major 9 here. So I like to play just the C and G my left hand, but you can play an octave. And then you're going to be playing like an E minor 7 in your right hand. When you put it all together, it makes a C major 9. And I like to add that 5 in there too. So that's the first chord. Second chord, we're going to be playing the A flat major 7 chord here. So it's an A flat, E flat, A flat, C, E flat, G. Then the last chord we're going to be playing is an E flat major 9. So E flat, B flat, G, B flat, D, F. And then back to the top. Now this is the beauty of neo soul. We understand the rules, and then we're going to break the rules because we're going to be following the groove and following the vibe of the song. So that's why you kind of get this dreamy feel with neo soul that you might not get with other types of genres. So because we're jumping in different keys and using different chord voicings to create movement. And that's what it is. Alright, so that's the entire movement. So let me know what you guys think about this. And if you also want to learn how I'm able to pick up a lot of these chords and movements within a couple of minutes, I have a program called Master the Piano where I take you through the entire music learning process from scratch. So I take you through chords, progressions, how to break down songs, and then we also break down different types of songs so you can learn how to approach chords and just music in general and expand your vocabulary. So go ahead and check that out. I'll have that link down. But yeah, we're going to end this video here, and I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.